Master,
you're a good teacher. You're good. Very gnarly. Bienvenidos and welcome to sunny Barcelona. I'm Med with easyJet Holidays, and this is 48 Hours In.
The series where we dive headfirst into the world's best city break spots.
Getting around Barcelona is a breeze. It takes about 18 minutes to get to the hotel from the airport. Easy. That's where I'm staying. With an outdoor pool, 10th floor terrace lounge, cocktail and tapas bar, I know where I'll be spending most of my evenings. So I've just made it to my floor. I'm about to find my room. Let's see where it is. 181, 181, 181, boom. Oh, yes. Time for a med check. Massive bed, check. Amazing Wi-Fi, check. Super cool air in the room, check. And lastly, an amazing view, check. That is kind of cute, no? I'm here thanks to easyJet Holidays and their amazing city break packages. Managed to get flight and hotel in one. If this is your kind of thing, click the link in the description and book yourself a holiday. To make the most of this trip, I've been set some challenges. Get an amazing view of the city. We can tick that one off. Order a dish in Spanish or Catalan. Challenge a local to a friendly beach game. Yes, brother. Visit an iconic landmark. Ask a local to share their favorite spot in the city. Let's find some hidden gems. I think we can do this. We're at the Mercat De La Boqueria, and this is where you'll find locally sourced products, not only from Catalonia, but the whole of Spain. So let's go and check it out and see what we find. Hola. As you can see, plenty of locals, but a lot of tourists as well. And if you're looking for something local, then this is probably one of the top places to be. When you come to places like this, you're kind of outside your comfort zone because you see things that you might not see at home. So I found a cute little restaurant in the market. I'm going to cross off a couple of challenges on the list. I've ordered myself a vino tinto del verano, which is basically red wine and Sprite. Surprisingly, it's really nice. Now I'm going to order a meal in Catalan, so wish me luck.
Molt bona tarda. Benvinguts a la boqueria. Què vols per prendre?
I think I want to try the seafood, obviously.
Okay.
So how would I order grilled squid and maybe anything else that you recommend?
Ordenat fried anchovies.
Fried anchovies.
És peixet fregit.
Peixet fregit.
Peixet fregit.
Peixet fregit.
O sigui, pop amb allioli.
Pop and alioli.
Molt bé. Gambes a la llet.
Gamba a
La llet.
Gamba a llet.
El mestre ja.
Ah, easy.
És master
You're
ja,
a
my
good teacher.
friend.
You're a good teacher.
No, a little bit.
I tried. I might have butchered it, but I'm ticking that off the list. So that's one challenge done. Let's enjoy this meal. The first thing I want to try is the octopus. He recommended it because it's his favorite. Do you know what? The guy deserves a raise because he gave me good advice. He taught me how to speak in Catalan and order in Catalan. And he also recommended the best dishes. We've made it to the Sagrada Familia, which is arguably one of Spain's most iconic landmarks. I mean, it looks pretty though. Designed by Catalan architect Gaudi, this masterpiece has been under construction since 1882 and is set to be completed in 2026. Now, that is a long time. I'm really impressed. It does feel like one side is super gothic, the other side is fresh and brand new, but it is a spectacular building. I was saying it's really giving me vibes of like Notre Dame. For a building, it's pretty crazy, very gnarly. I don't know, I love it. There's also like a massive Christmas tree up there as well. Where should I go and visit tomorrow?
I go to walking in the mountain because it's a good place to make sports.
And then when you go up to the mountains, do you take the cable car?
So I take the funicular, it's like a metro. You can take this funicular here in the parallel station.
from the front.
From the hotel.
Oh, all the way to the top?
Yes, there you can take the cable cars and go to the...
And how long does that take? 10 minutes?
15 minutes.
15 minutes, easy, really close.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Very good.
So the advice from the hotel staff member is to take the funicular, which is a bit like a tram, and then a cable car to Montjuic Castle, which guarantees unreal views of Barcelona.
Day 1 done. I need to recharge, so get out of my room, please. Get out. Good morning, it's day 2, which means there's only 24 hours left. I've been to a monument, I've ordered in Catalan, and I've got plenty of recommendations. Next up, the cable cars. Let's go.
It's time to start the journey to Montjuic Castle.
It's a nice view, but I think we can do better. I was excited, but is now a good time to say I'm a little bit scared of heights? Oh, I'm fine. There's so much history and culture in Barcelona. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Off to the beach we go. We've got a challenge to complete. One of the best things about Barcelona is that it's on the coastline. You get to experience the city life as well as the beach vibes all in the same place. With over 1,000 meters of golden sand, this is why we love Barcelona. I came here to play sports, but the weather had different plans, so we might fail one of the challenges. I'm gonna ask a local to see if they can recommend anywhere for me to eat. What was the place called that you recommend?
Barcelona Olimpiada.
Okay, amazing. Thank you very much. Gracias. We spoke to a lovely lady called Jennifer at the bar. She recommended a really good local restaurant that sells Catalonian food. So let's see what that's about.
What?
Gracias.
Cabaret.
Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Oh, grazie. Yes. That steak. That is big boy. This is a tenner. That was £10. The hell?
How'd you feel after that?
Very satisfied, very full. I'm done. We couldn't do sports on the beach, but I did find an Olympic-themed restaurant. It's full of locals and the food was amazing. That right there is a hidden gem. We've just had some tasty food and we're about to hop on a bus to go and see the Arc of Triomf. So let's see how we go. Unlike other Arcs of Triomf, this right here was built for progress, not military victories. Built in 1888 for the World Fair, the red bricks are a unique standout. We're at Park Guell, famous for being one of Gaudi's greatest creations. The park is a stunning representation of Catalan creativity. We're looking at the whole of Barcelona. I have a full 360 view of the whole city, from the ocean all the way to the hills. And this is probably one of the best views in the city. I am mind blown by how much I can see. Earlier it was raining, but I'm not giving up. I've come back to the beach to do the last challenge and enjoy the sunset. Where do you want to play? Just here? All right. Yes, brother. Let's have a touch. Nice. Oh. 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 Challenge completed. Easy as that.
I managed to complete my challenges with just enough time to get a good night's sleep before my flight tomorrow morning.
Want to explore Barcelona? Make sure you book your next trip with easyJet Holidays to start your adventure. Leave a comment to let us know where you want us to travel to next.